Hi guys, this is Sandip with full of energy and welcome to my channel Sandip Speaks English. So, how's your life going on? And I hope you all are doing well. So, in last class we discussed how grammar plays very important role in speaking English. Without grammar, we cannot speak fluently. We cannot speak a single sentence in a proper way. Sometimes we can, but not always. That's why we need to learn lots of stuff in grammar. So in last class we learned the basic fact of grammar part 1 and today we are heading to part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 then I beg you, I recommend you, please go check my playlist and watch it first and then come here and then it will make you a complete sense. And if you have already seen that then this video is for you and I request you to watch this video until ending. Before we start our lesson, firstly I request you to, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, and if you gain something from this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. So in last video, we have learned lots of basic topic and today we are heading to some intermediate topics in grammars. The first topic is that adverb. Adverb is a word which modify a verb, an adjective, another adverb, and sometimes even a whole sentence. Adverb often end with ly with a verb. For example, slow plus ly, slowly, brave plus ly, bravely, wise plus ly, wisely, quick plus ly, quickly. Here we can clearly see that after ending ly, the verb becomes an adverb. So let's take some examples how to modify verb. First we take a normal sentence. He speaks. So what is this? If you have watched my part 1, then you probably know what is this. So pause this video, write on comment section. I am waiting for your comments. Okay, I will tell you. It's a clause, the combination of one subject and one verb. So come straight to the point. Our example is that he speaks. What does he do? He speaks. Now it's time to modify. He speaks gently. So before modification, we didn't know how does he speak. Either badly, roughly, smoothly, quickly. But after modification, we comes to know he speaks gently. Here, gently is an adverb which modifies the verb speak. Second example is that the cow walks slowly. How does cow walk? The cow walks slowly. Here slowly is an adverb which modifies the verb walk. Third example is that the horse runs swiftly. How does horse run? The horse runs swiftly. Here swiftly is an adverb which modifies the verb run. Adverb can also modify an adjective and another adverb. The purpose of adverb is to add a degree of intensity to the adjective. Okay, let's take some example how to modify an adjective by an adverb. Okay, first we take some normal sentence. She is beautiful. How is she? She is beautiful. Here beautiful is an adjective which shows the characteristics of she. Okay, it's time to modify. She is very beautiful. Here very is an adverb which modify the adjective beautiful. Second one is that he is really hungry. Here really is an adverb which modify the adjective hungry. Third one is that today's class is going to be more interesting than the last one. Here more is an adverb which modify the adjective interesting. At last we are going to see how an adverb modify another adverb. Let's take some example. First one is that the weather report is almost always right. Here the adverb almost is modified adverb always and both are modifying right. Second example is that the spider crawl up wall very slowly. Here the adverb very is modifying the adverb slowly and both are modifying climb up. Now we discuss Some interesting fact of an adjective and an adverb. In English grammar, some word which is act as an adjective and sometimes it is act as an adverb. Just like fast, hard, high. Let's take some examples. So let's take first example. It's a fast car. And second sentence, he run fast. If we see first sentence, fast qualify the noun car, so it act as an adjective. In second sentence, fast qualify the verb run, so it act as an adverb. In second example, it's a hard exercise, and in second sentence, he works hard. If we see on first sentence, hard qualify the noun exercise, so it act as an adjective. In second sentence, hard qualify the verb walk, so it act as an adverb. Third example is that we saw many high buildings, and second sentence, the bird fly high in the sky. So if we see on first sentence, high qualify the noun building, so it act as an adjective. And in second sentence, high qualify the verb fly, so it act as an adverb. So from all conclusion, we comes to know that the word which qualify the noun, it act as an adjective, and same as the word which qualify the verb, it act as an adverb. Second topic is that adverb of frequency. It means that it are the groups of adverb that are used to characteristic the frequency of an event. For example, always, occasionally, seldom, generally, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. Here on the screen, that are how we use the adverb of frequency in sentence. Either you can pause the video or either you can take the screenshot. Third topic is that compound word. When two or more than two words are combined to form a single word, for example, bus driver, ice cream, toothpaste, in spite of. It means that without being affected the particular factor mentioned. In example, he was suddenly cold in spite of the sun. Fourth topic is that conjunction. When two sentences are combined by a word or groups of words, just like if, although, and, because, neither, etc. In example, I shouted and he ran up. Second one is that we knocked the door but no one at home. Third one, I ran because I wanted to speak with you. It is preposition, a word like on, of, under, over, into, etc. followed by noun or pronoun. Example, he sat on the chair. Second one is that he lives in London. Third one, she was hiding under the table. Sixth is preposition verb, a verb that has two parts, a base verb and the preposition. For example, care for, insist on, agree with, belongs to. In sentence, this house belongs to me. I agree with you. Sixth is interjection, a word or phrase which are grammatically independent from word around it. It expresses feeling rather than meaning. For example, hooray, ouch, wow, oh my goodness. In sentence, hooray, we won the match. Second is that, ouch, it's really hurt. Third is that, wow, you're looking so beautiful. Each topic is that double negative. It means that when we use negative word two times in a sentence, for example, he didn't steal nothing. Second is that, no, I am not okay. Third is that, I can't find my key nowhere. Last topic is that double question. When question asked two times in a sentence, for example, who killed whom? Second example, who sits where? So guys, I think we covered lots of topics in basic fact of grammar. and this is the end of lesson. If you have any query, so ask me on the comment section. I will answer them within 4 to 5 hours. If you have enjoyed this video and gained something from this, then please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.